In this tutorial, we are going to model this in SolidWorks. This is the drawing with the dimensions. So you could see it has a rectangular base and a wedge at this side and another one at this side and a slot at this side. So we start SolidWorks, go to new, file, new, part. So first what we'll do, we are drawing in millimeters, mmgs. Select top plane, sketch. You could see this base, this rectangular base is 100 by the width, and the other side is 30, so 100 by 30, and an extrusion of 10. So go to SolidWorks, sketch top plane, select center rectangle, dimension 30, 100, extrude, select mid plane 10. The next thing we do is we'll select this face, create a plane. Let's make it 0. Then we select the plane, sketch. I want it in the other direction. So first, this side from the front view, you could see the height from the extruded surface to the center is 58.9. Then from there, the slot, you have 2 slots. One is 7.5, a radius of 7.5 millimeters. The other one is 5. So use this surface to draw. So let's select center line. Start from this edge to this, except 58.9, 50.9. Then you select center slot, which happens, the outer radius happens to be 7.5. Then this happens to be 22. So get this full, and we accept. Then we select that. We select 3-point arc. 3-point arc. So we select this edge. Then we bring it closer to this. Escape. Select this. Then select this. Tangent. So we will mirror this, mirror about this, accept. So from here you could see this is what we created, and it has a radius of 50. Smart dimension 50. Yes. Then let's select trim this side and trim this side. Let's select another. Let's close this base from here to here. Escape. Now let's select trim. Yes. Let's trim this. Let's trim this. Let's trim this. Good. Basically it's the same. So that's an extrusion length of 5. You could see from here or here 5. Go to extrude. This time around blind. Reverse 5. So let's hide this plane. So once we've gotten this, select this, sketch. Let's draw a center line back again. Select the surface, convert entity, then select circle from here to here, no, from here to here. Then let's select line, join this and this. On doing that, select trim. Trim this side and trim this side, trim this side, trim this side. Yeah. Okay, there appears to be some problem. Okay. Let's select trim again. Let's trim this side, let's trim this side. Select normal. Let's trim here, let's trim here. Now let's select center line. Set center line. Point arc. Select here, select here. The same. Select here, drag. That's it. Small dimension. That's it. Then hit extrude. this surface. You see it has an extrusion length of from this to this, making 25. Subtracting this and this, 25, or from here 25. So basically gonna extrude 25, so 25 and merge results. Good. So now let's select the surface, sketch again. So all you are going to do is center line this edge to this edge. Select center slot. Let's make this 5. Okay. This is what we are going to do. Let's delete this. Okay, now select this and select this. Make it concentric. Select this and select this. Let's make it concentric. Then we go to extrude cut. Select true or accept. So we get this. Once we get this, go to right plane, sketch. Upon getting right plane, select this, draw this to this box. You can see from here, this edge happens to be this way. So 5 radius of 50, then 10 as the length of so select another line, go from here to here, accept another line here to here and here, then 3-point arc, select here and select here. Oh no, skip 3-point arc here, this edge to this edge. So here is 10, here's 5, then a radius of 50. Yes, to fully define extrude, you would extrude mid plane. From here, the extrusion length is 10. So we would select extrude, then we accept merge results, then we accept to get this. So once we are done with this, it happens to be green, 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 blue, blue, orange, orange, red. So start your face. So green, 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 green. Oh, that's one thing we've left out. Let's select this surface plane, make here 0. So let's sketch here first. We've left the circles out. So you can see from here, there's this circle, which happens to be 15 from this edge, 15 from this edge, that is at the center. So center line, one dimension 15, yeah, and the circle is 15 also from both edges. So center line again, center line again, one dimension here to here, 15 from here to here, 15, yeah, and our circle happens to be 15 also. So circle, one dimension 15, 15, so it's not defined, so let us select this, then coincident fully defined. We go to extruded cut, true or we accept, done. Aside our plane, done. So appearance, it happens to be blue here, we accept. Then this face happens to be orange, and accept. Then this place happens to be red, appearance, red, this happens to be yellow, this happens to be blue, blue also here, this happens to be purple, we accept. So we are done. Left it one, okay, yeah, please. So this colors, you can choose to make it a different color based on your preference. So if you like this video, I want you to subscribe and like and share.